Hi guys, this is Rara Coco, and this is a product review with regards to Startech, which is this product right here. So this one is a 3-port HDMI multi-port where you could hook up one of your computer and display three monitors. So I'm having problems with my Surface Pro, right? I only have one USB cable there and one mini display port, and that's it. I don't have anything else. So I hope this one will help you. I will do a product review again to stream Transport Hub mini display port to triple head HDMI MST hub. This product right here, I bought it on Amazon, and I will tell you later to see if this product is a product to buy or a product to ignore. All right, I'll talk to you later.
So this is what's included inside. Plug it in there. We'll be hooking up the TV and the two monitors. And the laptop.
So this one right here, plug it on your mini display port on your Surface computer, and now you have this 3-spot that is available for HDMI. I will plug in the one for the TV. And here's another one for this one is for the monitor, and another one for the monitor. Just plug them. Very simple. Okay. Now all of them are plugged.
So the TV and the two monitors are on. They're all hooked up. But I don't see anything on the laptop.
Startech multi-stream transport hub mini display port. I'm having trouble connecting the three computers or the three monitors, two monitor and one TV. It is not, it can display on all of those monitors, but it doesn't show anything on my laptop. I'm not sure if there's a capability problem, but I'm not very happy with that. It shouldn't be that complicated. You can make some adjustment, but it's either the two monitors. Hooking up two monitors is no problem at all. It's perfect. The only problem that occurs is when you hook it up to the third monitor. That's what I'm having problems with. And because of that, for me, I don't really like to recommend this product because of that problem. I have 3 HDMI. I expect all of those HDMI, all those monitors to work with my laptop, and it didn't do that. So I don't recommend this product. Thank you. There you have it. This is Rara Coco. Please subscribe.